Hey Jeff, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're gonna go through your website, see what's going on, and see if there's anything we can do. So right off the bat, we just have home and contact, right? I'm assuming there are different things you do. So what we always want, Matchless Interior Painting as your logo in the left corner, and then just a bar of all the stuff and services and contact and all that across, and then your number right over here, so people can just click the call, so they can take immediate action for your services. So as we scroll through, I love this back picture over here. It is really nice. Experience does matter. You're right. So kind of going through it is really good. Serving Austin metro area, that's fine. What I'm looking for here is keywords. What are people putting into Google that is gonna, like trigger your website to be the first thing, right? So a lot of people, when they're looking for things, they're gonna put in the least amount possible, right? Painting Austin, Austin painters, stuff like that. I'm looking for that on your website, but I do like give us a call. You have some great pictures here as well. Expert skill, great interior, exterior, perfect. View more, taking them somewhere else so they can see it. Obviously you need your users. And then we're done. The website is kind of over. I like your click to calls here, put in your information, type a brief message. That's great. Only thing I would really say is, yes, you have a tidy website here. We would probably need to, maybe move things around a little bit, but overall, the idea is great. Um, Thing is, Google does want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front page alone. And in those 1,500 words, we're going to want some of those keywords I was talking about that people are searching for on Google. So let's actually take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on for your website. So I'm actually using a tool called Ahrefs, and it may be moving a little slow on me today. I was hoping it wouldn't, but we can only work with what we are given. So all right, here we go. It's loading. So this is your website right over here. So the UR rating is how strong your domain is or your website is, and then the DR rating is how much Google trusts you. Now we always want these to be in the 30s and 40s, right, with a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, as far as backlinks go, that's what's going to drive that up. So we need backlinks, right? Now, a backlink is where you have your website URL somewhere else so somebody can click on it and lead back to you. Right, so we got 156 out and 18 of them coming back to you. Now, not all of them are the same. Some of them are spammy, like a Reddit link, and we don't care for those. We really want authoritative ones that really increase, how Google looks at us and adds to our site. And then lastly is when people search for things, we want to make sure those are our organic keywords. So you have 8 of them. So in total, you have 0 traffic coming through your website. So let's actually take a look here. What are what do they see? Interior painting, Austin, Texas. So you have the right idea, but I think we're adding a little bit. So they are getting good search volume. Austin interior painters are getting better, volume 150. Unfortunately, you're not getting any traffic for them, right? They have Austin house paintings, honestly, the best one so far. It's 350 searches per month for that. And it's getting a traffic of 0 to your website because of this. Your positioning. You're on the 3rd and 4th pages of Google, so no one's actually seeing you. So how do we combat that? Again, it's going to come back to your links, your DR rating and UR rating. These guys. So let's actually take a look at somebody else who's using Painters Austin. So instead of adding in interior or exterior, we're just going to search that. And immediately we have these Google ads that people are paying for. I know they're ads because they're sponsored. Then we got more ads over here, and then these 3 are going to be the top 3 in our Google Map Pack. We definitely want to be in here. 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything are going to click on those one of those 3 people because they don't want to click on this More Business button. So ways to get in here is you get great reviews and you're responding to them. Your name, number, and address is the same across the board, across Google, so they can trust you more. A couple of other ways to go in. I'm not going to really get into that now, but this is your organic search, right? When people are searching for things, this is what pops up. So Austin Painters or Painters Austin, we got Yelp, and then we have your first major competitor, Tex Painting. So right away, this is what the website looks like. There's a picture here. I guess it's taking a little while to load here, but this is what we want to see, right? Their logo in the left corner, and then a row of things here with scroll down menus, and then their phone number on top for a click to call. Now, I wouldn't have it this way. The way structure is very important. I would have their number on the right here within the white, and then I wouldn't have it follow me down. See how it's doing that? Don't like it. And it does cut off a lot more of what you can see. So then we have, schedule free estimate. You definitely want those buttons throughout on like the side so people can click on it. And overall, they have a lot to offer, right? They have links to other pages. It's, in your face, professional, Austin, Texas painting contractors, excellent keyword. Maybe take out contractors, but painting in Austin, they're doing well with those keywords. Painting in Austin, Texas. So they have a lot of content. They have a lot of value here that they're bringing to people so they can immediately see it. Their numbers throughout their website. So all in all, even the reviews, which again should not be on the front page simply because, why? It's just taking up space from those keyword options you can have. And it's just clutter. But overall, they have a lot on here that is going to help them out in the long run. So, and then, even this shouldn't really be here, but don't tell them that. So then we get to the end. Obviously, this is the footer. A little big, fine, but it's structured nicely. Let's take a look behind the scenes. What are they doing? So their UR rating, so they're they have a strong website. They also have a very good trust with Google, and this is almost perfect, right? Ratio of 1:1 is what we want. They have 1,800 backlinks with 266 referring domains. So some of those domains, referring ones, are really powerful. A cheat code is I can click on this and see exactly which ones they are and add them to you. But that's a trick for another day. And here are your organic keywords, right? These are what people are searching for. So they have 1,100 and they're pulling in 1,400 people a month through their website alone. So what exactly are those keywords? What do they got over there? Now remember, you have some very strong ones too. It's just that you're not in a position where people are clicking on you. Now these right over here, yeah, it shows a lot of volume, but if you look over here, it's a visit spot. So it's, they're not really probably getting any turnover from that. So I'm not really going to pay attention. So what I'm going to look at are these, right? House Painter Austin, Austin House Painting, Painters Austin, just a variation of different words that people are searching for on Google. And he has a ton of volume for it. And then he's getting that. See, his traffic is high. Why? His position is page 1, spot 2 and 3. He's in the perfect position for people to see him. I actually think he is also in the organic, not organic, but right here, Tex Painting. So he's getting a ton of traffic just because of that as well. So how do you beat somebody like this? Easy. All you do is, like I said earlier, we take some of his backlinks and we give them, we get you in the same spot so that he has them as well. We rehold the front page just a little bit, getting in a lot more of 1,500, 2,000 words in there that accurately display exactly who you are and what you do. Maybe move things around just a touch, but get those organic keywords in so that we can start boosting your rank, which is, again, backlinks and referring domains. Once we do that, bang, even if your organic traffic, which is 0 right now, even if it goes to 100, what can you do with 100 more people calling you so that they can get an estimate or a quote or get a job? That's all I got for you, Jeff. I really hope this was informative. If you have any questions, please reach out. If you have any feedback for me, I would always love to know. I'm always trying to improve. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.